Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're getting down and dirty in the bathroom with some of the best, most genius cleaning hacks I have heard that really have changed the game for me in terms of saving me time, making my life easier. A lot of these tips, I would say at least half of them, come from Vanessa Amaro, who is the queen of cleaning herself over on TikTok. She is actually one of the nicest people. We've become friendly over the past few months, so I definitely recommend that you follow her. I will leave her linked down below. So with all that said, make sure you are subscribed if you want to see more videos like this in the future. This first hack comes from Vanessa. When I saw it a few months ago, I instantly started doing it and is one of my favorite I've seen from her. So get a dish soap dispensing brush. They actually sell these at the Dollar Tree now. And you want to fill it up 2/3 of the way with Dawn dish liquid and the remaining third with distilled white vinegar. Keep this in your shower. And when you're in the shower with dead time, let's say you're waiting for your deep conditioner to penetrate, use that time and clean your bathroom. Everything you need is just built into the brush. So just give everything a nice little scrub out. I mean, come on. Multitasking at its finest, if you ask me. So once you've cleaned a shower with your brush, you could use your removable shower head to rinse it all down. If you don't have one of these, don't worry, we have options. You can use a small bucket, fill that with water, and just pour it to rinse everything off. Or here's another hack for you. They make this pet washing hose that attaches onto your shower head and gives you the extendable hose that you can use to rinse down your shower walls, rinse down your shower glass. It's pretty darn handy if you ask me. This is going viral on TikTok. Now for the shower glass, you guys, I finally found a natural glass cleaning product that works. Most natural cleaners on glass and mirrors, I just find leave streaks and have never worked for me. This one I randomly just picked up at Target. It's called Infused. It's actually reusable, works amazingly well, no streaks, no residue. So I really like this one. Another little tip, keep a squeegee in your shower. I have this hanging from a little hook. It's like a $5 squeegee, but after every shower, just having the squeegee in here reminds me to give it a good wipe down, and that just prevents those water spots from building up on the glass. Now, pretty brilliant hack for preventing water stains on your glass. There's a product called Rain-X. This is another tip from Vanessa. This is a product you can apply to your glass, and it actually acts as a water repellent. So the water will literally just slick right off of it, and you will completely bypass getting any of those water spots on your glass. It'll just extend the time between cleaning your glass. Another big problem in the shower I want to address is hard water stains on your faucets and fixtures and handles. The best treatment for that is not only very easy, but so affordable, and it is distilled white vinegar. You could put your vinegar in a spray bottle and spray it onto your fixtures, just let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and wipe it down, and all of those hard water stains should be removed. If you're dealing with more serious hard water stains and residue and it's starting to look nasty on your shower head, what you can do is soak a microfiber cloth in distilled white vinegar and wrap it around your faucets and let that sit for 30 minutes or even a couple of hours, and then clean it off. All right, now we're over in the toilet area where the magic happens. And first little tip, if you are not already doing this, you need to remove the toilet lid when cleaning. Every lid snaps right off. They all kind of do it a little bit differently, and you need to be cleaning under there. If you have not done this recently or ever, just prepare yourself for what you might find. It could be pretty nasty, and that's exactly why it needs to be on your radar when cleaning the toilet. So remove the lid. Then what you want to do is spray the entire toilet area, the floor around it, the base of the toilet with your cleaner, and let that sit for a good 10-15 minutes. That's how long it takes for the disinfectant to penetrate and be effective. In terms of cleaning the interior of your toilet, this is it. This is the GOAT toilet cleaning brush. I will never go back. These are disposable toilet cleaning brushes. They are compostable, biodegradable, so you don't have to worry about that. I just don't like having my dirty toilet brush in there and the trouble of sanitizing it every time. And the other thing about this particular brush, which makes it so amazing, is you see this shape? It is perfectly contoured to clean underneath the rim of your toilet. Talking brilliant design here, which I very much appreciate because it means less scrubbing for me. Another one of Vanessa's hacks that I think, it's a little extra, but if you live in a household particular with a lot of men and boys who are kind of peeing everywhere. You could get one of these black lights. They're like $10 from Amazon, and you can use this to look around the toilet area and even the walls around the toilet after you're done cleaning to make sure you removed all traces of urine. And let me tell you, when I did this in Ryan's bathroom, I was a little disturbed to see urine from the windows to the walls. Now, a couple little toilet paper hacks that I love. You could put a few drops of your favorite essential oil on the interior of the toilet paper roll, and then every time you pull out your toilet paper, it will release a nice fragrance. In my home hacks video recently, I shared how you can fold your toilet paper into a point and then use your faucet to stamp it nicely. If you want to take it up to the next level, you can actually get a stamp, any type of stamp. Of course, I have kids, so I found a little ice cream stamp, but I do want to go pick up a stamp with maybe a V on it or something cool. And you can use that, just wet it with water, and you could stamp into the point of your toilet paper and really make it look fancy. Do that maybe for your guest bathroom when you have guests coming over, and they'll be impressed. Now moving over to the tub area, one of the most extra yet amazing cleaning tools I've ever bought, I bought it years ago, is this extendable cleaning brush to clean the tub so I don't have to get in there and bend down, hurt my back. This guy just does all the work for me, so highly worthwhile investment if you're like me and you used to dread cleaning the tub. Now it's just so much easier. While I'm in here, I also like to spray off and sanitize my kids' toys that are in here. For your countertop area, one of the biggest tips I recommend you do is keep an extra set of cleaning supplies underneath your sink. Have your counter cleaner there, and every couple of days, do a quick wipe down of your countertop and just prevent that buildup from accumulating in your sink, because we all know how nasty the sink can get. So if you just keep on top of it every few days, it's really fast to do. If you do have the issue with hard water stains on your faucet, again, use that same tip I shared in the shower of using vinegar to get that off. For your mirrors, I use that same glass and mirror cleaner. And for the mirrors in particular, I find that it does make a big difference using these specialty glass and mirror cleaning cloths, because these don't have any lint in them. So you don't have any of that lint residue or any streaking whatsoever. And when cleaning glass and mirrors, start from the top and go in an S motion, working your way down. Now moving to the floor, and I apologize for this very weird angle. First thing I want to mention, don't forget to clean your bath mats. These things get so nasty, covered in mildew and bacteria, they can smell. So just run these in a hot, long cycle every week or two to keep them nice and fresh. If your grout lines are looking a little dirty, a little dull, and you want to brighten them up, the best thing to do is make a paste out of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Get an old toothbrush and use that and just scrub those grout lines, and they'll look nice and fresh again. And if you want to be extra, this tool does exist. And I had to show you. I actually got this and showed it on my channel years ago, and I still do use it. You know why? Because it's fun and I'm doing the most. So if you want to be extra like me, they make these little brush attachments that you can put on your drill. With this, you can really get in there and scrub those grout lines, or frankly, scrub anything your heart desires.
Hon, we're out of toilet paper. Hey, hello?
Also, they make grout pens, which is exactly what it sounds like. It's literally just a pen you can match up with your grout and go over those lines. It's like giving them a fresh coat of paint. And then to clean the floors, I first vacuum and then I use my steam mop. The steam mop uses only water and it disinfects 99.9% of all bacteria, anything that's on the floors, and they are so clean and shiny. Could not recommend them more. If you did enjoy these tips, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Go follow me on Instagram. I'm going to be giving away all of my favorite tools that I showed in this video. So the whole bathroom cleaning kit. Just follow me over on Instagram at VasarBeauty and be subscribed to this channel, and comment below your Instagram username so I can find you. If you want to keep the train going, I recommend you watch the video I did recently called Home Hacks. Those are some of my favorite tips I have ever shared. So I will have that video right here if you want to watch that next. And with all of that said, thank you as always so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye. That was a weird wave. Bye.